Alright, we're at the Springhill Suites by Marriott in Naples, Florida, and of course, we are going to ride the elevators here. I am staying in this hotel, but unfortunately, I'm probably not going to get a tour of it or a full review since my room is already a disaster right now, and as I have people staying with me, and my family was tired and didn't want to, let me do a tour, but we will get to at least check these elevators out, and as you will see, they are Schindler HT VR hydraulics. Let's go up. Alright, here we go. We're on 4. Down to 1. Here's a look at the cab. It's basic, but not unattractive or ugly by any means. Of course, they're your fixtures. Schindler HT vandal resistant. There we are on one. You can go.
Yeah, fine. Hey.
Oh, okay.
Thank you.
No problem. And I guess we'll go on this one. Four. All right, here we go. Turn 4. No leveling. There's the interlock. There's out on the top floor. And we'll end the video on 3, because that's where my room is. Watch 3 go out. Here we are. And anyway, there it goes. That'll be it.